Hi, today I will show you how to extract frames from long videos. First, go to your browser and search FFmpeg. Now, go to the download FFmpeg and for a Windows operating system, select Windows. Now, click on gyan.dev version and there you select full version, latest. You have to select the latest version full. Now, it's downloading. I've already downloaded it. So yeah, it's already downloaded. Extract it, and I've already extracted it, so I won't replace it. So the folder is here. Now you can rename it and store it in C drive, whatever you want. But first you have to go to the bin and select this path. Now and search environment variables. Here, go to environment variables and in this, go to path, edit and create new. I've already created it, so I won't add this one, but you have to select OK, then OK, and then OK. Now, open command prompt, write FFmpeg minus version. Wait for it. You will get the version here. Now, I've written a Python script to automatically extract those frames from long videos. So you have to just put the timestamp in the Python list in the form of a string, and you have to edit few things according to your need. First, FPS, how many frames per second you need. Window size. Window size means from which time you have to start extraction and duration. So I've already done it, added those timestamps of a video. You have to change the path of video and the folder path where the frame will be stored. Now again, and the frames are extracting automatically. And then they are frames are extracted. So these are the frames that are extracted here. I will put the link of my script, GitHub link of my script. You can check that